Okay, mate. Let's look here. ADX BTC. Lots of volume last few days. Definitely, definitely is lots of volume. You can see the point of control here is holding pretty strong here, right through here. So it's been used as support, and people look to be maybe seeing that and starting to accumulate. So just let me take this off the chart here. Uh, yeah, look at this. Look at the sell-off. Down 10% today, of course, because Bitcoin is up 10%. The Bitcoin, I don't know what I said there. I don't know if I pressed pause or not. Bitcoin is up 10.3%, and ADX is up 10%. So you can see that it's tracking the price of Bitcoin very well today. It's perfect almost. And essentially, ADX is flat on the day because Bitcoin is up 10%, this is down 10%, so it evens itself out. Now, I really like the fact that we're starting to see a red 200 moving average on a weekly basis, right? This is a good sign for me longer term. Um, over time, price will be attracted into this. Maybe people are starting to see this as well with this increase in volume. Looks to be some slight accumulation here. This pattern here on a daily, this is quite normal, right? Very normal. When you get the huge drop, you get the base pumps up into the red 200 moving average and drops back down. It will need a lot more chop. So I don't recommend buying it at this point. Price will need to get here, somewhere here, I would say. Like it needs to maybe chop and do this. And then when price gets here, this is when price could really run. Now, you're 100% right that this is a good sign and a good start, but that this pump and dump may be over at this point. That's probably a big move. If you really look at it, it's a 93% bounce. But it does look to me like this could potentially be longer term accumulation for a move up. So I do like it, but I personally think that it will take more time to to develop here and consolidate before actually breaking up. It's definitely one for the radar, though, one for the watch list. I mean, if you're willing to accumulate for longer term, you could buy a small bit, but the problem is with the rejection like this, what if you get one more dip lower? The safe thing is to kind of let this develop and look to buy here, somewhere here. So let price get out of this chop or finish this chop first. There's no point holding through all this chop. Again, on a 2-week chart, this is also starting to form a good pattern, but it's going to take time. Like you can see, the white 100 moving average is coming down here. Price will like to move in here, before getting a move. This is a 2-week chart, so you can see how long this is. This is into November here somewhere. But overall, this should be a bullish pattern, especially after a 2-year base. Actually, I should say a 3-year base almost. So I do like this. I just don't think it's ready.